15 healthy herbs and spices you should be eating. Did you know that the secret to better health might be sitting right in your spice cabinet or herb garden? That's right. Some of the most common herbs and spices you already have at home are packed with incredible health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, these natural powerhouses can take your wellness to the next level. Stay tuned as we dive into the 15 healthiest herbs and spices that you should be incorporating into your diet today for a healthier, happier you. Introduction. Herbs and spices have been a cornerstone of culinary traditions around the world for centuries. Beyond just adding flavor to our meals, these natural ingredients are brimming with powerful nutrients, antioxidants, and medicinal properties that can improve your overall health. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone just looking to enhance their diet, incorporating these herbs and spices into your meals is an easy and tasty way to boost your health. In today's video, we're going to explore 15 of the healthiest herbs and spices you should be eating, the benefits they bring, and how you can easily add them to your daily routine. Let's get started. Herb 1. Turmeric. First on our list is turmeric, the golden spice that has gained massive popularity for its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, fight oxidative stress, and even boost brain function. Studies have also linked turmeric to improved heart health and a lower risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. You can add turmeric to your diet in many ways. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, mix it into soups, or make a warm turmeric latte. Just be sure to pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption. Herb 2. Ginger. Next up, we have ginger, a powerful root that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ginger is known for its ability to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and alleviate pain and inflammation. It's also rich in antioxidants, which can help strengthen your immune system and protect against illness. To add ginger to your diet, you can grate it into smoothies, stir it into your tea, or use it as a seasoning in stir fries. Fresh ginger or ginger powder are both excellent options. Herb 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for your morning coffee, it's also a spice with impressive health benefits. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that it can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. You can sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, blend it into your smoothies, or add it to your favorite baked goods for a healthy and flavorful twist. Herb 4. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most well-known and widely used herbs in the world, and for good reason. Packed with allicin, a compound with powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic can help boost your immune system and fight off infections. It has also been linked to improved heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Add garlic to your cooking by crushing or mincing fresh cloves and incorporating them into savory dishes like soups, stews, or stir fries. Roasting garlic also brings out a rich, sweet flavor that pairs well with many dishes. Herb 5. Basil. Basil, the fragrant herb often associated with Italian cuisine, offers more than just a lovely aroma. Rich in essential oils, basil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. It can help support your immune system and promote healthy digestion. Basil is also great for reducing stress and anxiety, making it a perfect herb to incorporate into your daily meals. You can add fresh basil to salads, pasta dishes, or sprinkle it on top of a homemade pizza. It's also great for making pesto or simply adding to soups and stews. Herb 6. Mint. Mint is not only refreshing, but also a powerhouse for your digestive system. It helps relieve bloating, indigestion, and nausea by soothing the digestive tract. The menthol in mint also has cooling and pain-relieving properties, which can help alleviate headaches and migraines. Additionally, mint can improve memory and cognitive function. Add fresh mint leaves to your water, smoothies, or desserts, or brew a cup of soothing mint tea for a calming effect after meals. Herb 7. Oregano. Oregano is another herb that's not only flavorful, but also packed with health benefits. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, and has been shown to have antibacterial effects. It's often used to support respiratory health and may help alleviate symptoms of cold and flu. You can use dried oregano in a variety of dishes, such as pasta, soups, or on roasted meats. Fresh oregano is great for adding to salads, pizzas, or Mediterranean-inspired dishes. Herb 8. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb with powerful antioxidant properties. It's great for improving memory, concentration, and brain function, making it an excellent addition to your diet if you want to stay sharp. Rosemary also has anti-inflammatory effects and can promote healthy digestion. Add fresh rosemary to roasted vegetables, grilled meats, or use it to flavor oils and vinegars. It's also fantastic when infused into herbal teas or homemade marinades. Herb 9. Parsley. Parsley is not only a common garnish, but also a nutrient-dense herb that provides a range of health benefits. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, parsley supports immune health, aids in digestion, and helps detoxify your body by promoting kidney function. Sprinkle fresh parsley on salads, soups, or roasted vegetables, or blend it into your favorite green smoothie for a nutrient boost. Herb 10. Cilantro. Cilantro is a fresh herb with a distinct flavor that's beloved in many global cuisines. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and has been shown to help detoxify the body by binding to heavy metals and aiding in their removal. Cilantro also has antibacterial properties that can help promote gut health. Use cilantro to garnish tacos, salads, or curries. It's also fantastic in sauces, guacamole, and fresh juices. Herb 11. Thyme. Thyme is a versatile herb with a rich flavor that can elevate a variety of dishes. Known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, thyme has been used traditionally to help fight infections and improve respiratory health. It also has antioxidant benefits and may support the immune system. Thyme works well in stews, soups, and roasts. You can also add it to salad dressings or homemade marinades for a unique flavor. Herb 12. Sage. Sage is another herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit your heart, brain, and digestive system. Sage is also known for its ability to support memory and cognitive function. Add sage to roasted vegetables, meats, or even make a sage tea to help with digestion after a heavy meal. Herb 13. Fennel. Fennel, with its slightly sweet and licorice-like flavor, is packed with fiber and antioxidants. It helps promote digestive health by reducing bloating and gas, and it can also help balance hormones. Fennel is often used to relieve indigestion and support weight loss. You can eat fennel raw in salads, roast it with other vegetables, or drink fennel tea to soothe your stomach. Herb 14. Dill. Dill is a fresh herb with a tangy, citrusy flavor that offers numerous health benefits. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support the immune system, promote digestion, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Dill is also known to have a calming effect, making it great for reducing stress and anxiety. Use dill in salads, pickles, or sprinkle it on fish and other savory dishes for a burst of flavor. Herb 15. Chamomile. Last but certainly not least, chamomile is well known for its calming and soothing properties. Often used as a tea, chamomile helps with relaxation, stress reduction, and sleep improvement. It's also been used to reduce inflammation and alleviate digestive issues. Brew chamomile tea or add dried chamomile flowers to your bath for a relaxing, stress-relieving experience. Conclusion: herbs and spices are not only delicious additions to your meals, but they also offer a wealth of health benefits that can support your body in various ways. By incorporating these 15 healthy herbs and spices into your daily routine, you can enjoy better digestion, improved immunity, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced mental clarity. So why not spice up your life and your health today? Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, wellness, and nutrition. Share in the comments below which herb or spice you're most excited to add to your diet, or let us know your favorite ways to use them in your meals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.